We live in a 3D world. I can see in the near future where everything is 3D. Listening to our clients and the needs that are in the market, it became pretty obvious that the oblique market was really taking off, and we needed a way to provide that data to our clients. We looked around different providers, and having such a great history with Phase One, they had a leg up immediately for the PAS 880.
Our customers were looking for out of the realm of 2D into like a 3D, so now we're able to do urban imagery as well as city modeling. We just ended up doing Little Rock, and the imagery that we've gotten back from that is amazing.
So we accepted delivery of our first two Phase One systems, the PAS 150s, back in 2020.
It was a no-brainer to switch because we became more efficient with our flying. Image quality was improved. When we do a project with the 880, it's pretty exciting to me because we can capture so much more information than what we traditionally captured with the nadir only.
The quality aspect of it is huge. We're able to collect such higher resolution imagery from higher altitude. So we don't have to come down as low to get a 3-inch GSD product or a 1-inch GSD product. Just looking at the specs on the 880 and the footprint, because not only did it allow us to provide oblique data to our clients and 3D data to our clients, it just doubled our footprint for nadir mapping jobs. And so it made us a lot more efficient just on the everyday work we had to do.
We're able to flag images on the line that are missed while in flight, which we can now fix it in air, which makes us more efficient.
If we miss it in the field, the packages that they provide allow us to quickly quality control that in the office, so we can immediately get back out and recollect those areas.
Looking at the Phase One workflow, it really wasn't that big of a change for us. We kind of picked it up and just ran with it day one.
The iX suites allow us to plan, fly, post-process for entire aerial missions. Go from a thought of what we want to take a picture of to delivery to the client. Being able to collect in the IIQ format allows you to collect a really high quality image that is smaller than its next step of the TIFF file.
The Phase One software has really taken a lot of steps for us and really simplified what we're having to process and everything.
Partnering with Phase One has been a blessing to us.
Their success is contingent upon our success. And that shows in the way that they take care of us whenever we need help, and how quickly they respond when we do, have an issue that comes up, even though they are rare.